Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says offsets are an example wherein reproduction occurs by option A apomixis, option B parthenocarpy, option C meiotic division, option D mitotic division. So let us understand the question. It says offsets are an example wherein reproduction occurs by. So what is offset is an example. So that is what is the question. So of course, they are given in plural form, that is offsets are example of what? What kind of reproduction does occur in them? So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of offset. So what are offsets? Offsets are nothing but horizontally running branches. These are horizontal branches, okay, horizontal branches which can be seen in case of, these are offsets are specifically found in aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. Okay, and why are we so particularly talking about them? Because these horizontal branches, they undergo cell division. The cells of these branches, they undergo cell division, okay, and give rise to new offsprings. New offsprings. Okay, offsprings, or you can say progeny. Okay. Now this cell division is actually, it is a kind of a equational division, or you can say it is mitotic division. Mitotic division. You can also call it as somatic division. Okay, why? Because this happens in the vegetative cells or the somatic cells of the branches, right? Because branches are all made up of what? They all are made up of somatic cells. And hence the division is also called as somatic division or mitotic division. Okay, so there is no formation of gametes here. And hence, here only one single parent is involved because we are talking about the branches, right? So it belongs to only one single parent. So any of the parents can give rise to new offspring. So here there is involvement of single parent. Okay, and hence the offsprings which are formed, the offsprings are genetically identical. The offsprings are genetically identical. Why? Because they all are formed from the same parent. Genetically identical. They are identical to the parents as well as they are identical among themselves. Okay. So let us look at the options now. Option A says apomixis. So what do you understand by apomixis? Apomixis is a process where seeds are formed without fertilization. Okay, seeds are formed without fertilization. For example, in case of grass, there are many grass species where seeds are formed without fertilization. That is what is apomixis. So offsets are nowhere related to apomixis. So they don't form by apomixis. They just form by simple mitotic cell division. Hence, apomixis is ruled out. Now, option B says parthenocarpy. So parthenocarpy, what do you understand by parthenocarpy? This is a type of reproduction where the fruits are formed without fertilization. So apomixis is formation of seeds without fertilization. Parthenocarpy is nothing but the formation of fruit without fertilization. Hence, this is ruled out because offsets are nothing but branch and not the fruit. Then option C says meiotic division. So what is meiotic division? This is the division where there is reductional division. So here clones are not formed. Here genetically identical offsprings are not formed. And there is involvement of both the parents, male parent and female parent. Hence, this is ruled out because in case of offset, only one single parent is involved, as I have already mentioned here. Now, option D says mitotic division. Yes, the cells in case of offsets, they undergo mitotic division, which I have already mentioned that there is cell division and that is mitotic division. And hence option B is the right answer. So what is an example of for offset? So example, if you want to see, that is water hyacinth. Water hyacinth. Okay. This is a type of aquatic plant where you can see offsets which will give rise to new offspring. So let us conclude the question. Actually, it says offsets are an example wherein reproduction occurs by mitotic division. Okay. Let us conclude the answer. So let us conclude the answer. So what is the right answer? The answer is option D. That is mitotic division. Mitotic Mitotic division. Division. Okay. So you know that mitotic division is nothing but the equational division, right? So that is how the offspring gets reproduced, or it will reproduce form. That is, formation of new offsprings occur from offsets by mitotic division. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.